Hi,
Hi,
welcome.
thank you
So
so
glad to
much.
have you here.
Thank
Please
you.
introduce yourself and what you do.
So my name is Tannaz Bahnam. I am the founder and CEO of the Awari app, and we are a discovery platform. We're transforming the way people experience their cities in emerging markets.
Amazing. So give us some examples.
So we're at the moment in Nigeria, in Lagos and Abuja. And what we want to do is give small and medium sized lifestyle businesses tools to enable them to acquire and retain more customers and to attract the tourists who are now starting to come into these environments to allow them to be able to discover and experience the city in unique and memorable ways.
So do you have an app or
Yes,
what?
the
Yes.
Awari app.
What's it called?
Awari
Awari?
in Yoruba means
Okay,
to seek and
means
discover.
yeah, find
Yeah,
it. Yes,
yes,
absolutely. Well, that's brilliant.
yeah,
So
thank you.
how long have you been doing that?
So we started off as a brand called Lost in Lagos, and in fact, we still have the publication, a monthly publication we do to promote life in Lagos from culture and food to music and entertainment, fashion, everything in between.
Right.
So we started that 15 years ago and have now kind of gone more into the tech aspect of it with Awari. And we still do a lot of events like Restaurant Week and
Oh
Burger
yes. Oh,
Week.
is that you?
Yes.
And cocktail week and all of that?
Not Cocktail Week,
Okay,
but
but
Restaurant
restaurant
Week
week.
and Burger
Okay.
Week. So we try to promote dining out, promote the experiences that exist and are not being really utilized as well as
Yeah.
they should be in Nigeria. But we do intend to enter another emerging markets in Africa and the Middle East.
Yeah. So what about Dirty December then? I mean, that's like really
Huge.
exploding.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So we're definitely looking at how we can promote Lagos throughout this period. Actually, it's not just December, but from October through to December, there's a lot of events from
Yeah.
Lagos Fashion Week, Artex,
Yes.
Moonshot with Tech, that really attract a lot of people coming into the city. So one of the features on our app is called Awari Experiences, where we promote businesses that create packages that create those experiences.